Hello my crochet friends. If you don't know what this is a yarn winder. It creates skeins. I purchased this from Amazon about a few months ago and I paid $31.95 Canadian. My name is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested to see my thoughts about this winder, if I like it, if I don't, do we need it? Keep on watching. To start with, let me just show you what this does. So what it does, it takes your skeins and turn them into cakes just like this. And like a skein, you do have a middle tail that you can use to crochet with. You just pull and you crochet. Same thing with this one here, pull and crochet. I did find that it was quick, it doesn't tangle, and it will wind up to 4 ounces or 100 grams. As for the quality, it is plastic, but it's a lightweight plastic. It's tough. I don't see it breaking if you take care of it. So a lot of you is wondering, why would I buy this since you can actually do the same thing with toilet paper roll? The only reason why I purchased this is to save time and to save my hands and my arms. I did have lots of these cakes to do. I wanted to use something that would be faster instead of rolling with my hands and arms. But there's a trick to this that you have to remember when you use one of these. You place your yarn right here. Your yarn will go like this. And this portion of your yarn, it is what gives you your tail. And then you wrap your yarn around this end. All the time that you're going to be turning or winding, you need to keep a tension. If you don't keep a tension, the cake will not be tight enough and you can tangle your yarn. Let me proceed to the next video. I will show you how this goes, how this winds, and then we can talk about it after. You have now seen how this works, and for me this is perfect. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to continue using it because it does make pretty good cakes, like you can see. Although $32 is quite expensive, but for me it is worth it. It's up to you to figure out if this piece of equipment is good for you. Also, what I like about this is its sturdiness. It is sturdy enough and it's lightweight. It's not very heavy. You can move it. I hope this was informative. I hope they enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.